Well, I'm going to have to stay an extra hour just to let them dry off. We're on a mission to buy a strimmer. We're here. Let's see what we can get. Strimmer ball. This is what the grass looked like before it got short back and sides. Terrible state of affairs. Those dandelions won't last much longer. Neither will those. Sun is starting to not exactly set. It's 6:30 in the evening. Lovely and cool. And there she is, McAllister. God, can't wait to try her out. This is a cracking little strimmer. Still got loads of charge. I just got bored of strimming. I'll show you what I've done so far. Look at that. Lovely. Short back and sides. Up there. Got to tidy up little bits and pieces here and there. There we go. Still all that bottom section to do. Like I said, I've still got plenty of juice left in it, which is amazing because the other two strimmers that I had before this one were done in about 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes if you were lucky. This one's got a bit more bollocks to it. Talking about bollocks. Look at that, red hot pokers. Just about to come into flower. This was a really easy shrub, bush, whatever you want to call it. I just planted it and every year it sends up these jobbies. Very little maintenance. Sometimes I forget to water it. It still pushes out. This is a worrying sign. Definite footprints there. And I'm thinking rabbit as per usual, although they've left the sweet peas alone, which is unusual because normally they'd get stuck into those guys. And I can't see any other items that have been nibbled on. Last year they got stuck into the tips of the onions. I thought the spring onions would be touched as well, just nibbled on, but no, it looks like they haven't. So maybe it's not a rabbit, fingers crossed, although it definitely looks like rabbit prints. Oh God, I hope I don't have another rabbit year on this plot again. More footprints in this bed, although I'm hopeful that this one, which goes off up there, I'm hoping that's a cat footprint. Only time will tell. New additions to the plot so far. That guy there, that guy there, and then down here, that one, And that one, giant sunflowers. So hopefully we'll have a big old, well, 5 sunflowers on the plot later this year. Oh man, I'm so pissed off, quite literally. You attempt to fill a watering can, you're not looking what you're doing, you're gazing into the sunset, and this is what happens here. You spray your crotch. It totally looks like I've peed my pants. Why? Well, I'm going to have to stay an extra hour just to let them dry off. That lot's had a drink and I'm off home. If you've enjoyed this episode, please do me a favour. Drop it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel because that always helps me. But most importantly of all, do comment down below. Get at me in the comment section. We'll have a chat. And until the next video, bye for now.